Today is Wednesday. The temperature will rise to 34 degrees very shortly. When I left the house it was about 28, 29. So here in front of the beach is a very famous model. Well, I don't know if it's real, but it's set so that it shows an old fishing boat. And if I just rise up and scan along, we have a beach which is 22 kilometers long, and if I point up we have a tower block rising up to the sky almost, more than 40 floors. I don't think I would like to live there. The beach is quite busy. It's early morning, the sea is reasonably calm, and I'm going to take a walk along here very shortly. Here is the beach lounge. Like all the restaurants here now, you pay the equivalent of 100 reals to enter, and you can eat and drink. If you don't eat or drink this amount, they don't give you the money back, they give you a voucher for the next visit. For me this is totally illegal and wouldn't be accepted any other country, but this is Brazil. Here are Praias. They actually block out the view for the rest of the inhabitants of the city. And here we have a cyclovia. I'm not filming using a cell phone, because if I held a cell phone up I'd probably get robbed within 30 seconds. Not a good idea. So I'm trying out this small GoPro camera for the very first time. This cyclovia runs the entire length of the beach. So here is the centre, which is used at the weekends for artists using food, so chocolates, cakes, biscuits, hot dogs and burgers, and it's always full. So this is repeated down the beach for the next 20 kilometers. We have another one like this down in Ocean, which is not too far away. The heat now is building up. I don't know how much more I can walk doing this. I'll do as much as I can, and hope you enjoy seeing Brazil. We have this sort of weather all year round, normally apart from spring, just before Christmas and the New Year, when it is the rainy season. But we've had some rain for the last 3 weeks, so I think the weather around the world is definitely upside down. So if I just look back at where I've come from, you can see that the beach is quite busy today, and people are enjoying the sunshine. So here, some more garden flora and the trees. Pass around. I'm standing in the shade of a palm tree because the heat now, with all this light stonework, is just reflective. As you see in the distance, the cyclovia going bendy, and quite a lot of traffic this morning. Here's Ice Castle, where you can leave children supervised while you go off and enjoy the beach and have a swim and drink, etc. The beach goes on like this into the distance for about another 17 to 20 kilometers. Here, coming along in a trolley, are the local police, and the area is well patrolled by police on bicycles, motorbikes and these electric trolleys, and there are about 1,000 cameras. This used to be an area for problems with bandits. You get the opportunist teenager on a bike who will grab something out of your hand if you're not paying attention, but that's about it at the moment. I'm going to do one final sweep of the beach area. I'm going to call it a day, but instead of walking back along the beach, I'll walk the side streets where I can get some shade with the big blocks. And we can see here the cycle of air is better to keep the people off the road, because people here drive without not too much consideration for everybody else.